Have you been searching for the perfect custom DIY face mask for your skin type and skin concern? Get ready for this because we're taking you on a choose your own face mask adventure. This is an interactive video, so take notes as you go. Let's start with the first decider, your skin type. We hope you already know what it is, but if not, take a second and watch this video to figure it out. If you have dry skin, your base ingredient is yogurt. It's rich in lactic acid, which helps get rid of flaky skin, but is also super gentle and hydrating too. Got oily skin? Aloe vera is your BFF. It's light, won't grease you up and won't clog your pores either. If your skin is oily in some areas and dry in others, you probably already know you have combination skin. Go ahead and drizzle some honey into a bowl as your first ingredient. It helps balance oiliness and also pulls moisture to the drier patches to hydrate them. Let's talk about normal skin. A lot of beauty brands are getting rid of this skin type because what is normal really? But for now, if you actually have the Goldilocks of skin, that's neither too oily, neither too dry, and is just right, grab some rose water, which is gentle, lightweight, and a great all-rounder ingredient. Got that? If you haven't figured out what your first ingredient is yet, pause right now or rewind and figure it out before moving on to the next one. Ready for the next ingredient? For this one, we're going to look at your skin concerns. Dealing with angry acne that doesn't seem to go away, get your hands on some Multani Mitti. Also called Fuller's Earth, it's a magic clay that sucks out impurities from your pores and dries out existing acne too. Dull skin that won't glow no matter what you do, our absolute favorite ingredient is here to save the day, orange peel powder. It's super brightening and will give you a glow like never before. If you're starting to notice a few fine lines and wrinkles, it's time to take a cue from the Chinese, the Japanese, and Koreans and grind up some rice into rice flour. It has anti-aging properties and is also probably the easiest ingredient to make at home. Pigmentation and uneven skin, mash up some papaya. It has a chemical in it called papain that helps loosen up all the gunk and dead cells that have been collecting on your face so that you can wash it away to reveal fresher, more even-toned skin. If you haven't decided what your second ingredient is, you know the drill. Pause, rewind, and get it right. Now that you're ready, all you need to do is mix together your two ingredients from step 1 and step 2 based on your skin type and skin concern. For example, if you have dry skin that's also dull, your mask is yogurt and orange peel powder. Don't worry too much about the quantities, just make sure you have a smooth paste-like consistency that's easy to apply as a thin layer. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and rinse off for the skin that we know you've been dreaming about. You can use your custom mask 1 to 2 times a week, but not more than that or it'll strip your skin down. There are 16 possible mask combinations you could make depending on what you choose. So we're sure there's one in there that's the right match for you. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.